In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a template in Todoist. We'll walk through a simple, clear process so that by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're relatively new to Todoist. I'll also share a few quick tips along the way to help you avoid common points of confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and you're on the main screen where you can see your projects and tasks. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different options like Inbox, Today, Upcoming, and so on. In that same left-hand area, look for the search option. This is usually represented by a small magnifying glass icon or a field where you can type to search. Go ahead and click on the search area on the left. Once it's active, you'll be able to type into it. In that search field, type the word template. Typing this keyword helps you quickly find the part of Todoist that deals with templates instead of hunting through different menus. After you type template, you should see an option or a result that mentions templates. Among those options, look for something that says Browse Templates. This is the section where Todoist groups all of its template-related features. Click on Browse Templates to open that page. When the Templates section opens, you'll usually see a collection of starter templates that Todoist provides, like project outlines or task lists you can reuse. This area is also where you can bring in your own template files. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all the options appear. Now, within this templates area, find the option that says Upload Template. This is the button or link you'll use to bring your own template into Todoist. Click on Upload Template. Your browser will open a file selection window where you can choose the template file you've prepared on your computer. Once you select your file and confirm, Todoist will upload it and turn it into a reusable project or task list, depending on how your template is structured. After the upload completes, you'll be able to use that template just like any other project, saving you time whenever you need to repeat a similar workflow.